Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear audience. Welcome to today's video. Dear audience, in this video we will discuss what is hidden inside a seed. In simple wording, we will discuss structure of a seed and its main function. We will discuss parts of a seed. These seeds looks lifeless, but each one contains a future plant. Each seed has a little baby plant inside it, and it is grown into a new plant by the process of germination. Let's open the seed and find out what is hidden inside a seed. A seed has four important parts. These parts are seed coat that protects the seed, cotyledon that is stored food in the seed, radicle grows into a new root, and plumule that grows into a new shoot. We will discuss each parts one by one and their functions. Let's take start with the outer protective shield that is called seed coat. Seed coat protect the inner soft seed and the baby plant that is present inside the seed. Next part, when we open the seed, we see a baby plant. This baby plant is also called embryo and it is germinated into a new plant. After getting necessary conditions, this baby plant grows into a young new plant, and this baby plant is hidden in all the seeds and it is called embryo. Next part is feed for the baby plant, and this food is called cotyledon. This food is mainly starch and it is type of carbohydrates. When seed gets necessary conditions for growth, this baby plant use this food of cotyledon for growth, and it is grown into a new plant by the help of this stored food. So we can say that cotyledon is the stored food of the plant. Embryo break down this food to grow into a young plant. Seed is amazingly transformed into a new young plant by the process of germination. Each seed has a baby plant and each seed has the ability to grow into a new plant. And in this way, life cycle of plant continue from seed to a new young baby plant. All seeds are not same. Some are monocots and some seeds are dicots. This difference is based on the presence of amount of cotyledons. We will define them one by one. Monocot seeds, it is the seed that has only one cotyledon. For example, corn, wheat and rice. All these seeds have one cotyledon, mean one seed leaf. You can see the example of corn. It has one cotyledon, so it is a monocot seed. Next one is dicot seed. A dicot seed is a seed that has two cotyledons, means two seed leaves. It has two parts of seed. Example are bean, pea, gram seeds. All these seeds, when they are open, they are made up of two parts or two cotyledons. So they are called dicot seed. Here you can see the example of bean seed. It has two cotyledons, so it is dicot seed. Let's have a final recap what we have discussed in this video. First of all, we have discussed part of seed, seed coat, cotyledon and embryo. Then we have also discussed types of seeds, monocot seeds that have one cotyledon and dicot seed that have two cotyledons. Example of monocot seeds are gram seed, rice and wheat. And dicot seed have two cotyledons. Its examples are bean seed, pea seed and gram seed. Now you know what is hidden inside a seed. Which seed do you see most often at your home? Type in comment section. And if you have understood the video, please like and share for more science videos. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz till the next science video.